Porn addiction has almost nothing to do with sex. And if you still believe this is a lust problem, brother, you're fighting the wrong war. Because porn is not the addiction. Escapism is. Most men are using porn the same way other people use alcohol, drugs, gambling, food, even social media. They use these things to numb themselves, to calm themselves, to regulate stress. And in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to show you how to finally heal the nervous system underneath this addiction. Because the truth is, most men are not addicted to porn because they're overly sexual. They're addicted because their body has been trained to escape discomfort through dopamine. When things like stress hit, they escape. Loneliness hits, they escape. Pressure hits, escape. Rejection leads to escape. And emotional exhaustion leaves men needing to escape. And porn has become the fastest, most powerful form of relief available. That's why some of the men that are struggling with porn are very successful. They're disciplined in business. They're physically fit. They're married. They're respected by everybody around them. Yet privately, these men still can't stop relapsing. And it's not because they're weak, but it's because their nervous system has been conditioned to survive through stimulation instead of regulation. And eventually, peace itself starts feeling uncomfortable. Silence feels uncomfortable. Stillness feels uncomfortable. Being alone with your own thoughts feels uncomfortable. So your brain reaches for the thing that gives immediate relief. That's why today's episode is so important, because if you only attack the behavior, but never heal the nervous system underneath it, you will keep relapsing into some form of escape. So in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to break down how porn hijacks the nervous system, the signs that your nervous system has been dysregulated, why most men keep failing, and the 7 steps to finally calm your body and regulate your mind and create real and lasting freedom. Because freedom is not becoming a man who constantly fights urges. Freedom is about becoming the man that no longer needs to escape. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Grich, host and founder here. And for the last 6 years, it's been our mission to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us on YouTube, turn those post notifications on, because we're dropping multiple episodes every single week. Now let's dive in. You see, most men believe porn addiction is about lust. That's the biggest lie that keeps men trapped, because if it was only just about sex, relationships would solve it. Marriage would solve it. Discipline alone would solve it. But that's not what we see happen. There are married men struggling every single day. Men that are in thriving relationships that are struggling. Men that have access to sex and are consistently having sex, still struggling. Why? Because porn is primarily not a sexual response. It is an emotional regulation response. Your nervous system is constantly asking one question, and that's, how do I get relief? And once your brain learns that porn creates fast relief, it wires that pattern deeper and deeper over time. So you're stressed, you seek out porn. You're anxious, you seek out porn. You're bored, you seek out porn. You run into conflict, you seek out porn. You're feeling alone and isolated, you seek out porn. You're living in shame, you find the porn. Over time, your nervous system stops learning how to regulate internally and becomes dependent on external stimulation instead. That's why many men relapse after hard days, after arguments, after rejection, after pressure, after emotional overwhelm. It's not because after those things they suddenly became lustful. It's because their body was searching for relief. Porn became that painkiller. And this is why simply trying harder usually fails, because you're trying to remove the symptom without healing the system that's underneath it. Many men go on to quit porn only to replace it with things like doom scrolling, binge eating, gambling, alcohol, overworking, gaming, constant social media stimulation. Because the nervous system still feels dysregulated. That addiction simply changes forms. Now let's take a minute and talk about what a hijacked nervous system actually looks like, because many men listening right now have been living in survival mode for years without even realizing it. You can't relax. You feel restless. Your brain never shuts off. You're exhausted, but overstimulated at the same time. You need constant distractions, constant content, constant noise. You reach for your phone automatically every few minutes. You struggle sitting still. Silence feels uncomfortable. You're emotionally numb, disconnected, irritable, anxious all the time. You struggle sleeping. You struggle being present. You struggle connecting deeply with people. You feel tension in your body constantly. Your breathing is shallow. You're always searching for another dopamine hit with things like caffeine, scrolling, YouTube, food, porn, distractions. And eventually your nervous systems become addicted to chaos. That's why some men relapse the moment life slows down because peace itself feels unfamiliar. I want you to listen carefully. A dysregulated man cannot build a regulated life. You cannot create peace externally while living in internal chaos. But the good news is your system can heal. Your brain can heal. Your body can regulate again. You can feel at peace again. You could feel clear again. You can stop living in survival mode. But you must intentionally train your nervous system back into regulation. And it starts with these 7 steps. Step 1 is stop overstimulating your brain. Most men are massively overstimulated. The second they wake up, phone, notifications, emails, work, video, music, social media, constant inputs we were not created, constant dopamine we cannot handle, constant noise we're not meant to live in. And then they wonder why they feel anxious and fried all the time. Your nervous system was never designed for nonstop stimulation. If you want to heal, you must reduce the unnecessary noise. That means less scrolling, less mindless content, less stimulation. Because overstimulation destroys regulation. Most men are addicted to stimulation itself. Porn is simply that strongest version of that stimulation. Your brain cannot heal in the same environment that's been keeping it sick. Step 2 is you have to learn to sit in silence. Most men are terrified of silence because silence exposes what we've been avoiding. The moment things get quiet, anxiety shows up, loneliness shows up, that shame that we've been suppressing shows up. And instead of feeling it, we look to escape it with things like porn, scrolling, TV, distraction. But healing begins when you stop running. You need moments every single day where your nervous system learns, I am safe without stimulation. That's why prayer matters, journaling matters, quiet matters, meditation matters, getting on quiet walks matter. At first, stillness feels uncomfortable. That's normal. Your nervous system has been trained to depend on chaos, but over time, silence will become peaceful again. I guarantee it. And that's where real healing can accelerate. Step 3 is you have to regulate through the body. Healing is not only mental, it is physiological. Your body stores that stress with things like tension, trauma, suppressed emotions. This is why movement matters so much. You need physical regulation tools. Things like training hard, lifting weights, walking, breath work, cold exposure, even sleep, hydration, and sunlight. These things matter massively because when your body feels safer, your nervous system begins to calm down. Cold showers are powerful because they teach your body how to stay calm under stress instead of facing discomfort. That in and of itself changes you. You stop teaching your nervous system to run from discomfort and you start teaching it you can handle discomfort. This is how you build resilience. Step 4 is you have to stop numbing your emotions. Most men are addicted to pleasure. They're addicted to avoiding pain. Porn becomes an escape from loneliness, inadequacy, rejection, shame, grief, fear, pressure. Many men have spent years suppressing emotions instead of processing them. Eventually, that suppression becomes addiction. You cannot heal what you refuse to feel. Recovery begins when avoidance ends. This means learning how to process emotions, sit with discomfort, talk honestly, become vulnerable, stop pretending that everything is okay. Secrecy keeps the nervous system dysregulated. Honesty begins to regulate it. Step number 5 is create structure and safety. Chaos dysregulates the nervous system. Structure calms it. Morning routines matter. Evening routines matter. Consistent sleep matters. Keeping your word matters. Because every broken promise creates instability internally. Every small win begins to build that self-trust, though, and self-trust regulates the nervous system. Your body begins learning, this man is the man that protects me. That can change everything. Step 6 is you got to connect with other men. Isolation keeps men trapped in survival mode. You were never designed to heal alone, but most men isolate. They hide, they pretend, they perform. Meanwhile, internally, they're drowning. Brotherhood changes that because safe connection regulates the nervous system. This is why community is so necessary. You need accountability, honesty, support, guidance, brotherhood, because your nervous system was never designed to carry this weight alone. Step number 7, this is the most important piece, is you have to rebuild your identity. You have to stop identifying as broken, as weak, as helpless, as addicted forever. Identity is what shapes our behavior. And behavior shapes our nervous system. The goal is not becoming a man who constantly resists porn. That's living in chaos. The goal is becoming a man who no longer needs to escape. That's learning to sit through the discomfort. A man who is calm, grounded, disciplined, trustworthy, emotionally strong, spiritually connected. That's what we're seeking, because that's where real freedom is found. Now, I want you to imagine waking up without chaos in your mind. Imagine feeling peace again. Imagine feeling emotionally stable and clear, present, and focused. Imagine not constantly having to fight urges, not constantly hiding, not constantly living divided. If you can imagine that, I want you to know that that life is possible. But freedom doesn't come from simply trying harder. It comes from healing the nervous system that is underneath the addiction. Because most of us don't know how to do that. That's exactly why I've created The Porn-Free Man. This book is not another motivational book, but is a complete blueprint for building the man behind the addiction. Inside this book, I walk you through the process of rewiring your habits, of rebuilding self-trust, of regulating your mind and your body, of restoring discipline, of creating emotional resilience, and becoming the man that you know you were created to be. This book is the exact system that's helped thousands of men rebuild their lives and finally create real freedom. So if you're tired of relapsing, if you're tired of hiding, if you're tired of feeling disconnected, if you're tired of living internal with chaos, visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free or click the link down there in the show notes below to grab your copy of Porn-Free Man today. Now, if you want to go deeper into support, accountability, and into brotherhood, then come join us inside the Rebuilt Man community. It's absolutely free. The book is a blueprint, my friend, to getting control of your nervous system, to rewiring your mind, to rebuilding your habits, to recreating a new identity of a life that can live without porn. Visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free to grab a copy today. But remember, you are not broken. You've just been hijacked. Your brain can heal. Your nervous system can heal. But it starts today. It starts right now by making a decision. Visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free. And brother, we'll see you on the inside.